morning. So I just posted episode 1. Now I'm having an issue with the amount of storage that these videos take. The first episode was 11.5 gigabytes. And I'm trying to import episode 2. It's like 40 gigabytes. Now I have to go find external SSD that's USB-C compatible to the iPad. And then I have to get a dongle because the AirDrop I thought was gonna work from here to here, and maybe because it's so big, it doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. It'll work at the lower quality, but if you do the original, there's a button to push for original size. If you push that, it doesn't work. So I have to get a dongle where I can plug the iPhone into the dongle, which goes into the iPad, and then the external USB into the dongle, which goes into the iPad. They're both going into the iPad at the same time. But now it's like trying to find where to go. So now I gotta Google places where to go for the cheapest one because I don't wanna be spending like $400 on memory or storage. Let's go try to find this. Oh, and I need to find a new place to live. So let me do that first. Pack my stuff up, go to the other place, maybe drop it off at like hotel check-in, and then go out to the mall and find somewhere to get this storage. Forgot the cherry on top of the cake. All my drone footage, I accidentally deleted. I was trying to make more space on the iPad to upload episode 1, and I had to clear storage, and I didn't know that there's an option for DJI where it stores it right in the app, or it stores it locally, and it stored it locally. So now I have to go get more drone footage of the same thing. Oh my god. And it's so hard to get drone footage here because there's like these, I don't know, like kites. I don't even know what to describe them as, but they're like hundreds of feet up. So they're probably 200 feet up. And they're held on by fishing line. You try to see fishing line with the naked eye, then when you're looking at the camera, you're just like, oh fuck, that's a fishing line. Yeah, I hope I don't get tangled up in it because I won't be able to get the drone back, I don't think. They're not gonna let me on the field to go get it. So, thank God I'm leaving this place. I kept wondering what was crawling on my keyboard. I just thought I needed my glasses. No, I didn't. Jesus Christ. All right, we are off to the next place. Next place looks a lot better. I even told the host, I'm like, the place it was at, it can't be like that. She's like, oh my God, I would want to get out of there too. Like, This lychee tea, best tea I've ever had in my entire life. $28,000 before tax. They have 10% tax in Bali for everything, plus service charge. So the merchant can decide that they want to charge 5% that day, 2% that day. So you're really looking at 12% tax on everything at minimum. People think like, oh my God, like go to Bali, everything's tax free. Are you crazy? It's double taxation here compared to a lot of other countries. They say goodbye to blood, piss, and shit curtains. Oh my God, there's some more blood. There was blood on the pillow too. Jesus Christ. that I switched to. I got it off of Airbnb, super cheap, hosts super nice. They have kids. It's set up kind of like little villas. This was the tiny one. That's all I need for myself, but super clean. Standard bathroom. So I decided to go and try to tackle one problem at a time. I tried to tackle the data problem because I was still on, I think, T-Mobile, using their slow, super slow data. So I figured, let me get a local plan here. So I went to try to find a SIM card to pop into this. I'm here, but there is a queue. I have like 8 people in front of me though. Hopefully we'll have normal internet. That was super easy. So, I mean, the hardest part was waiting, but all they do is they take your passport, your IMEI number, and the price is, well, I got the highest package that they had. Well, it's not the highest, but he said it's the most you could ever need. It's 90,000 for 35 gigabytes for 30 days. How are you going to use more than 35 gigabytes just using Google Maps and like getting places, even uploading pictures and videos? Like, it's pretty hard. But 90,000 is about $6 for an entire month, which is, it's really good. I got a mint and citrus soda, and you like make your own. It's kind of cool. Chicken pesto. Now we're going gas station shopping. Their gas stations are nice though. Detergent. Bug spray. I just need human bug spray. So fun. DEET is only 13%. I think that's what dithylamide. It's 15%. I need like 90. So I got my SIM card, then I went over to the mall. Can't find the other videos, but I ended up getting some sunscreen at this mall. That's about it. But it was beautiful. Beautiful. The view from this mall. It's unreal. This is beautiful. Now, I went back and had one of the absolute worst pizzas I've ever had in my entire life. Bali should not do pizzas if they can't. It is pretty scary walking with no sidewalks in this whole country. Like, Jesus Christ. And walking the wrong way, basically, from what we're used to. After a good night's sleep in a clean bed, let's go head to breakfast. This is by far my favorite breakfast spot. They give you like a menu on newspaper. All the food's really good too. And drinks. This tastes like if you warmed up curry. Yeah. I'm gonna go back and we could try this again tomorrow because this is not it.